Welcome to the Young Tech Innovators Program, where ideas become reality. This is an opportunity for your kids to start changing the next generation of workforce from today.
There's not an industry left in the world that isn't based in technology or could be improved by technology.
We innovate with AI, quantum compute, cloud compute, cybersecurity.
In today's world, every day it becomes more and more so. You're a technologist. It's just where's the technology being applied in the industry you've chosen.
I like what we're learning, and I like the structure of it.
I like that we get to build our own apps.
I like the summer camp because there's a lot of people, so there's a lot of ideas coming together. There's a lot of things I'm learning, a lot of new things that I didn't know about that I'm learning.
You get to learn, you get to do, and you get to take product home that you could even take to market as well.
I can see from their response that they're ready to learn and they're really cooperating in class.
Since we're using AI for so many things, including chatbots, what if we used it to create games?
Those are transformational ideas that we are teaching your kids. So if you love your kids, this program is for them.
We need these thinkers pushing for, demanding the technologies that they want to see working in their adult lives, and giving them the language of technology and the basics of technology is what's going to allow them to articulate what the needs are and ultimately will drive the technology of the future.
So I want these kids to start seeing the potential and the capabilities in learning all of this. You could get a six-figure job while you go to college. That's the idea behind the name Young Innovator Tech.
Thrilled to be here. There's not a better audience for us in technology services to be speaking to than young kids who have an interest in what we're doing. The biggest skill to keep is an open mind. We're on a ride together, and the faster you realize that and start paying attention and keeping an open mind to how this can all benefit you and your community, the faster you're going to see the results that technology can bring to your life.